So our view on the markets from a medium-term perspective is that we are overall constructive on the market, but in the short term, we see challenges because of liquidity and primarily FIIs pulling out money from the Indian market. Second challenge that we are witnessing right now is the slowdown in the economy, which for more reasons we believe it to be temporary. The market should start picking up in the second half of the year. So if you go by the results of some of the consumer companies which are reported right now, what we have witnessed is that the results are not as bad as they were expected to be. But clearly, most of the companies have called out that June has been a weaker month, which has also percolated into July. But also, it seems to be the case that the commentary suggests that the weakness that we are witnessing could be short term in nature, and more likely there could be a pickup which can happen probably in the second half of the year. So, which is what we come to that the market is now factoring in the short term challenges. But from a medium to long term perspective, I believe there are opportunities. There is value which has clearly started emerging across the board, whether it is mid cap or whether it is large cap stocks, after the correction that we have witnessed in the market. So, some of the sectors that we continue to like, one is IT, we continue to like. Reason being, there is very, very good earnings visibility in the sector. We don't believe rupee to appreciate too much from the current levels. We believe that rupee to remain roundabout in this zone, which is what again helps the IT sector. So our ideas from a perspective of medium to long term, where we see valuation comfort as well as earnings visibility, is one in the IT space where we continue to like Tata Consultancy Services. We like some of the mid cap names in the IT space like Sonata Software and Hexaware. In Apart from IT, we also see value emerging in sectors like automobiles, where stocks like Hero Motor at current levels have started to look attractive with close to 5% dividend yield, right? And also, we find a value starting to emerge even in the banking sector also. So, the frontline names like HDFC Bank or ICICI Bank, we see a lot of value there, right? And we continue to remain allocated to this space. So that is our strategy for the market from a medium to long term perspective, to be invested in quality stocks, to be focused on earnings visibility, and mitigate the risks of the market by playing the business cycles rather than playing the market cycles. Thank you.